Okay, we're going to make a video here, demonstrate the 996 touchscreen machine, the ease of operation, and also how the machine loads and preps the door. Okay, so we're going to start with setting the door machine up. Go ahead, Anthony. So we'll go ahead and we'll change from a 6'8" to an 8-foot door. Then we're going to go ahead, we're going to leave it at a left-hand door, and then we're going to change the hinge size, 3.5, and we're going to go ahead and do 3 degree on this guy too. So we're going to turn the 3 degree on, select the 3.5, and then from this screen we can also turn on all of our drills and mortise, but we can also change it from the main screen too, so you don't have to navigate out of that screen to do it. And you can also at a glance take a look on the screen what you've selected as far as a left-hand door, 8-foot with 3.5-inch hinge, and you can also see the lockboard location and the deadbolt location. So I'm going to step back here, and now we're going to go ahead and eject the door into the door machine from the loader. And then the door machine will take over and it'll automatically position the door for us. Carriage is positioning itself automatically, and then the loader, while that's happening, has gone ahead and brought over a new door for us. And the door is now positioned, and at this point the operator would be positioning the hinge jam and the strike jam. This machine has the ability to also run a strike jam simultaneously for us, so it's not done on a separate machine. It's done right here, and that would be done while the door was being positioned, but for filming purposes we've slowed that down so you can see what we're doing here. And there's a lot of stops on this machine, but fortunately enough, when you press the stops in button, which is on the screen, it will automatically position the stop relative to what you have selected. So there's no guessing on what stop has to be used, and also if it's a new operator, the stop is put in for them automatically. Now we've turned on applicator number 1. We've turned off applicator number 2, and we have applicator number 3 on, and we've done this so that when we route the door, it'll automatically apply the hinges on number 1 and number 3. But we want to show you how the applicator works, so we've done the middle one in manual, so you get to see how that works. And go ahead and route it, Anthony. Number 1 and number 3, yeah. The back has already done what it needs to. Now it's doing the lock bore. The router's done. Applicators come in. And then the screw feed is automatically positioning the screws. Okay, so Anthony's going to show us how to put the hinge on. This is a left-hand door, so he puts the pin pointing towards the header. The unit should already be loaded, so he turned it on because we had it off so you could see it. The unit comes down. And then the unit and that's it. So now we'll unclamp, and we can eject the door but we don't have a roller table, but it would then feed the existing door on the loader through, pushing out the door that's machined onto a conveyor.